In today's video, you guys, I made a 2-leaf clover soap because it is brick cold outside and I just needed something to lift my spirits. Check my video out to see how I accomplished this soap. Hey, how you doing? I am Natasha and welcome to my channel. I made this soap, you guys. Listen, it was brick cold outside and I just wanted to lift my spirits up. I was in an off mood. I was like, let me make a bright scented soap. And that's exactly what I did because it was brick and I was not going out in brick weather. If you don't know what brick means, it means extremely cold. So I hope you all are doing well in this winter season. I hope you all are doing well during the holidays, and I hope you're keeping your spirits up. As you can probably tell, I am a bit under the weather. My baby girl gave me the flu and I'm on the bitter end of it, but you do what you gotta do, right? So I'm just adding my natural ingredients so that I can make my soap batter. I wasn't really sure on what approach I was going to take. I'll be very honest with you guys. So I was just testing the waters just to see what kind of design I can get, because like I said, this wasn't a soap specific for a customer or a collection. It really was for me to be engaged in something that was going to make me, it was going to lighten my spirits, okay? So as you can see, I've used bright colors. We got the purple, we have our neon green, the tennis ball yellow, and the flotation device. I picked these colors just because they were bright. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna act like, oh yeah, I had this design. And no, absolutely not. When I tell you I was making soap because the sun was out and I just wanted to engage in some positive action, that's exactly what it was. So the fragrance I decided to use in this soap is called Energy. I've used it before in this channel. It's made by Brambleberry, and the fragrance notes are, according to the website, it's a bright and fresh scent with notes of grapefruit, lemon, lime, cucumber, jasmine, pineapple, blackberry, and champagne. Now, listen, I get fresh, I get some citrus. I won't lie, I'm not getting any cucumber or pineapple or champagne, but I do get a citrus scent. Now I'm gonna ask my daughter. She's bluntly honest. Let me see if what she smells. Smell this. What do you smell? What does it smell like?
Bubbles.
Smell like bubbles?
Yeah.
Do you smell any fruit?
Yeah.
What do you smell?
Fruit.
What kind of fruit?
Apple.
You smell an apple?
Yes.
Okay, guys. So this part, you guys, I can watch just one part over and over again, just zoning out, just slowly pouring the soap and watching the colors just flow into the loaf. Is so peaceful to me. I really did not want the colors to muddy, and I was pleasantly happy with the way it came out because I wanted there to, you could see distinctly where the colors are in the pot swirl design. Here's my second batch of the batter. This is the other half of the batter that I'm mixing, and then I'm gonna try this design thing. I'm telling you, there's no rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. I'm just doing what comes naturally in my head. And somehow, you guys, I got like this 2-leaf clover heart thing. But you know what? I think I'm going to improve on this design in future soaps, especially since Valentine's Day is coming up. So I'm going to give you guys some warning. Do not use too much mica when you're doing mica lines. I'm telling you, if you use too much in between your layers, when your soap is done, it's going to just break at that point because there's not enough wet soap to adhere to each other, and it will not stay, and you'll be baited and you have basically 2 pieces of soap. So just be careful when you're making mica lines. It sure look like I know what I'm doing, don't it? I'm telling you guys. When I tell you I was just winging it, I was winging it. I was winging it. But it's okay because you know what? I got a unique design out of this soap. I actually liked this approach. I wouldn't use a whole bunch of batter like this, but I will tell you that making this loaf helped me out a lot because it was like there was just no pressure. It was just like, just do whatever, Natasha. And these bars, I think they're cute. I'm gonna give them to some children. I'm gonna hand them to some children over the holidays. I think they'll make great holiday gifts. So that's what I'm gonna do with this soap because it came out so nice. But the design that came out of this actually was very interesting. It's almost like I had these different color cloud designs surrounding a 2-leaf clover. I mean, you guys tell me, are you seeing a clover or are you seeing a heart? Because I mean, heart kind of popped in my head, but clover is what I was thinking. So what you guys plan on doing this month? Because it's soon finished. I mean, the new year is upon us. I just want you guys to just keep your spirits high and just be around positive, high vibrational people, please. Because right now there's people who are miserable, who just want misery, want company, and there's some people that just needs a boost in their spirits. So I know how it is. That's why I always try to find something that's positive to do to get me in a better mood, to get me in a great mood, right? So I'm hoping that you guys are doing that. And I just do want to take this opportunity to say that, you know what, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. I love the comments. Some of you guys' comments are just so awesome and nice to read. And thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing and listen to me going back and forth and making my little goofy soaps and things like that. You know, I hope that I give you as much as you're giving me, because a lot of times I'll be off and I'll read somebody's comment. I'm like, oh my God, that's so nice to say, or you know what I mean? Like, you don't know that transfer of energy, that positive energy. You don't know how it affects people. That's why you always got to watch what you say. Because sometimes people be saying stuff that be out of order. I'll be like, come on, you know? But it's nice to, you know, if you feel genuine, to say something nice. Now look at that design. I do feel like the purple was like overtaking. But you know what? It didn't come out bad. Because when I cut the soap, you guys, oh my goodness. Now, are you guys ready to see this cut? I mean, are you ready to see how this soap comes out? All right now, hold on to your nerve endings. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Look how the colors are surrounding this clover. Look at the tops. I thought the purple was gonna go crazy. I love how the border of the soap, like the top border is like the multicolor, and then at the top is like the purple, but it looks like it's just this intricate veiny design. That looked nice. Oh man, okay. That's not bad for me not planning out what I was gonna do, right? Now there are some hesitation marks in the soap, which I don't like, you guys. So you see like there's like a line that goes across. That's because when I was cutting it, I stopped to turn the daggone soap cutter, and then I stopped again. So I'm definitely going to clean that up. But these soaps are beautiful and they smell so nice. What a pick-me-up in my spirit. This soap came out better than I thought. Another thing I like by this soap is, you notice how, remember I was saying I didn't want it to be too white, so I didn't want to add too much titanium dioxide. I love how creamy that white color in the soap is. It's not too stark white. It's like more of a creamy, soft color. I really like how that looked compared to the rest of the colors in the soap. This is a very colorful soap. I know some people may not be crazy about it, but I think it came out beautiful. Okay, and it actually really smells very, very good. The bottom layer, which was the in the pot swirl, that also came out very nice. You can see each intricate color. You can see the border. You can kind of see the mica line, the gold mica line. And let me know in the description box below if you guys see a clover or do you see a heart. Just let me know. It just looks beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I will tell you that this definitely did lift my spirits. You guys need to do something that's going to make you feel better. Take a hot shower. Go cook something. Go read a book. You know, do something positive. Maybe go visit somebody. Go check on someone that you think might be alone or would really benefit from your presence. Because sometimes just your smile can make all the difference in somebody, you know, and that'll make you feel good. Maybe burn a candle, organize a room. You know what else? Maybe you could just lay in your bed with a nice hot cup of soup and look at a movie. Look at some Natasha Southern scent videos. These soaps came out beautiful, guys, didn't they? They came out so nice. So you guys, protect your energy. I appreciate your presence. Take care of your beautiful skin. Stay positive, and I will see you on the next video. Until next time, you guys.